Hello students. So you have to enter your ID and password in the Vijay Tutorial Speed Labs platform. Okay. So once you enter into the enter ID and password, you will get this screen. Okay. Home, videos, revise, practice, test, and study materials. Yes or no? So here first in home means here this is the home. Okay. Here you can just see. They are giving the overview of the concept videos. Okay, and all. Most importantly, you have to just click here. Videos. Are you able to hear me, Jivan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to select science, Jivan. Okay. You know how to watch the videos of maths. You have to select science.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in
Yes,
science. Okay.
Sir,
Concept
go
video.
to concept, it will come.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Once you go to concepts, you have to just click on the science. Okay. Once you click on the science, you will get the chapters which are there for your syllabus. Okay. Physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay. Actually, from 6th standard only.
Yes.
Science is separate. Okay. Physics is separate. Biology is separate. So I will show one. You just click on the physics 6th standard. So these are the topics: motion, light, shadows, electricity. Okay. Once you click on the motion, so you'll get a number of videos. Okay, like what is motion, unit of motion and measurement, different unit of length. Okay, so you can see this concept video. Each video is of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, like that. Once you click play, okay, you can watch and you can expand this here also, like this. Here I am sharing the computer sound. Are you able to hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the blue ball is nearest to the red ball.
Sir, I can hear.
Okay, fine. Okay, so this kind
To
of
answer this
you
question,
can learn.
from
Okay,
this observation,
you can learn these different chapters. Similarly, you have to select the other things like chemistry also is there. Okay, you can click on the science here. Once you click on the science, you will get a 6th standard chemistry. Okay, and biology also. Okay, so once you click on the chemistry, you will get a fiber to fabric, sorting materials into groups, separation of substances. Okay, so these are the chapters. Okay, na changes around us. So suppose fiber to fabric, I'm clicking. So again, you will get a number of videos. Okay, introduction of fibers, what is jute fibers, cotton fibers. You can see the videos. Okay, and you can click play and you can expand here and you can watch. Like this.
food, shelter, and clothing are the three basic needs of every individual.
So just like this, you have to watch the videos. Okay, of physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Now come to the another section, that is the revision section. Okay, in the revision section, two things are there. One is concepts, other is questions. Okay, so in the question, first you click the revision only, you'll get concepts. In the concepts, you can see the concepts of math, science, social, and English. All 4 subjects are available. Suppose you want to see the concepts of social. So you can see, you have to select what civics 6, geography 6, history 6. Suppose I want to see geography 6.
Sir, your voice is trucking.
Okay. Your internet problem. Okay.
Sir, your voice is trucking.
Okay, okay, no problem. You wait. Okay. Can you see the screen, right? So in the revision, you have to click choose the subject, social science, choose topic, geography, choose chapter. Chapter you can choose. Once you choose, you will get some concepts are there. 14 concepts are there. So you can click and you can learn. So this is very small, so you can expand here. Okay, and you can zoom also here. Okay, because it touch screen is just you can zoom. Okay, so what are the main concepts, main points you can learn. Click next for the next concepts. Similarly, you have to click on clicking next. Solar system, what solar system you can see. How is the solar system? Okay, you can click next about sun. How sun is this there? Okay, sun is the center of a solar system. That there is a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides a cooling force. So you can see the concepts are there. You can learn. Short notes are made in the form of PPT. Similarly, about the Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun, and other information related to the Earth is there. Okay, now once you want to escape, you can escape. Can end here. Okay, and similarly, you can see other things also like civics. You can select the subject chapters. These are the chapters are there. Suppose understanding diversity. Suppose here 13 concepts are there. Same thing. Okay, you can see that concepts here. Okay, now so you can expand here also, and you can zoom also. These are the concepts of that chapters. Similarly, you can see the history also. Okay, you can see the history also. History 6. So these are the chapters are there. Okay, what, where, and how on the trial of the earliest people. Suppose I want to see this chapter. So you can see 12 concepts are there. Okay, history of Harappa and all is there. Same thing here. You can expand and you can learn. Okay, Harappa was one of the oldest cities of the subcontinent, which archaeologists found 80 years ago. Like this. Okay, na? So are you able to hear me? Okay, similarly you can see the similarly you can see the other subject like English also. In English, mainly grammar part is there. Okay, English is still not uploaded. Okay, English is not uploaded. But science you can see science. Okay, in science you have to go with the same thing: physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, you have to select the subjects, chapters. Okay, these are the chapters, and you have to select these topics. You can see, you can expand, you can learn. In zoom also, in the mobile also you can zoom. Okay, and you can learn the concepts of science. Types of motion, rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion. In between, I will keep you providing the concepts. Okay, now. Now you have to utilize this time. This is a summer vacation time, right? So you should utilize this time. This is very, very important. Okay, and you should at least study 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so this is about revision section. In the revision, you can see the questions also. Which questions means what? You can see the maths and science questions. Okay, suppose science. You can go with these which chapters. Okay, suppose physics. You can see here chapters you select, and here you have to just do all questions. Then you will get a see 2 questions are there. Okay, you can see the questions and you can learn. Second half of the clock moves dash than the hour hand. It moves faster. Yes or no? Second hand is what moving faster than the hour hand. So it is what A option. So you just check answers. It will say correct. Okay, you can see the solution also if you want. Okay, next was a piece of thread is used to measure length and distance in dash objects. Okay, piece of thread. For a very piece of thread is used to. Okay, so suppose I'm putting this is wrong answer. Okay, C I'm putting. Okay, I'm putting C, which is wrong actually. So you can just see, check answers. Also check answers. Okay, they are telling a correct only. Okay. Okay, so this is the way you can cross here. Similarly, you can see maths. Okay, in questions only you can go with the maths. Okay, and you can see the questions like math 6th. In the math 6th, you can see what chapters, integers, suppose, or fractions or decimals, whole number, knowing your numbers, data handlings. Okay, so any one chapters you can, suppose mensuration. Then click on mensuration, and here you have to click all questions. Okay, then you can see 2 questions are there related to the mensuration. Correct now? So you can just read this, revise this, and mark the correct alternative in the following questions. The length and breadth of rectangle of area A are doubled. The area of a new rectangle will be there. See, if length is double and breadth is also double, so area become what? 4 times. Area become what? 4 times. Okay. So C option is the correct option. Okay, so C options I am putting. And you have to check answers. So it will show correct. Okay, you can see the solutions also. Okay, so suppose length is L and breadth will be B. So what is area? L into B. Now length of the new rectangle is what? 2L, 2 times. Okay, length, breadth of new rectangle is B dash, that is 2 times of breadth. Now what will be the area? New area is what? L dash into B dash. So 2L into 2B, that is what? 4 into LB. 2 to the 4, correct na? 4 into LB. So LB is nothing but area. So 4A. Okay, so it is what? 4A. So you can see the solutions also. Yes or no? Okay, similarly, you can just practice the questions. Okay, questions in the revision sections. You can see the questions of maths and science. I think social is also available. Okay, social is also available. Yes, you have to suppose select geography 6th. Okay, select the chapters. And again, here you have to. This is very important. You have to make all questions. Okay, once you make all questions, so you'll see these are the questions. Okay. The tectonic plates process takes place of plate boundaries, mountain ranges, lithosphere, none of these. Suppose I am putting none of these. Okay, we'll check whether it is correct or not. So this is a wrong option. Okay, so you can see the solution. What is the correct solution? A is the solution. It takes place in plate boundaries. Okay, like that you can learn the MCQs of math, science, and social. Okay, next practice. Come to the practice. You know, I think you are familiar with the practice. Okay, practice means you can start the new session. Okay, you can see the homework which we will give. You can see reports also. You can see the practice reports. Okay, if you have marked anything for clarification, you can see, and everything is evaluated. You can see the feedback here. Suppose in practice, once you click the practice here, start new session. You have to go with the start new session. Okay, you have to here subjects are there: math, science, social. Practice you can do. Suppose this is a maths. Okay, you can see a maths practice. This is the science practice. Okay, this is the English practice. Yeah, English is not there. Okay, so that's what we could not serve the page. Okay, leave it. Okay. So what about the social science? I think social science is there. Okay, so come go with the suppose go with the maths. You have to select the chapters. Okay, whole number, playing with numbers, integers. Suppose I am selecting integers. Suppose after going through any chapters, you can just suppose you can select more than 2 also. Decimals, 3 chapters I am selecting. After selecting, you have to go with the next level and regular questions. Once you start the questions, you can see +1 plus 2 is become what? +3. So you have to just tick here, C option. Submit your answers. Once you submit answer, if it is wrong and right, they will tell it's correct only. Okay. Next question. Okay, which of the following statement is true? Every positive number is a larger than every negative integer. 0 is greater than every positive integer. 0 is smaller than every negative integer. 0 is smaller than every negative integer is wrong. 0 is greater than every positive integer. It is also wrong. Okay, and every positive integer is larger than the every negative integer. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Further from a number 0 to right, smaller is wrong. Okay, so you can see it's correct only. Okay, now so suppose the next question. You have to keep on practicing. Which of the following is false? -1 is greater than -2. -1 is less than -2. 89 is greater than 79. It is correct only. 1 is greater than 0. It is also correct only. 1 is greater than -1. It is also correct only. So A option is what? False. You just click here. Okay, submit your answers. Okay, correct only. So you can end the session also. Once you end the session, okay, you have to end here. Okay, they will tell you, okay, you have practiced the questions, 3 questions. Out of 3, 3 is correct. Attempted is 300%. Accuracy is what? 100%. Okay, time taken is this. Okay, so this you can see as a report card also. Okay, later, suppose in the practice only, you have to go. Okay, and here you can see the reports of the practice. See, maths you practice na fractional decimals. You can view your reports. That time you attempted 3 questions, 3 is correct, 100%. Yes or no? And this is the next is the test column. Test column is what? You can go with your own test, 30 minutes, 1 hour test. Suppose you want to create one test, easy medium. Okay, after going through any chapters, you can create. Okay, suppose here one maths test I want to create by myself. Okay, subject which select the standard topic, sixth topic. Select the chapter. Suppose I am selecting a whole number and whole number. Okay, knowing our number, the two chapters I am selecting. Okay, you have register. Okay, and here you can name some test. Okay, maths test, maths test. Okay, you can name as per your wish. Here you can see 20 questions will get. Okay, and you can start the test. And you can solve. You can see here time will start in 30 minutes. You have to solve these questions, 20 questions. Yes or no? Correct now. Here you can see what questions are there. Okay, you can see directly. If you want to see question number 10th, you can see how many numbers are there containing 2 digits. So 2-digit number start from 11 till 99. Yes or no? So I think 99 numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 99 numbers. Okay, you submit your answers. Similarly, you can see if A and B are the two whole numbers and the commutative law is applicable on the subtraction if. Commutative law is applicable for subtraction. If A and A is equal to B, A is equal to B. Suppose I am putting which property of this is satisfied? 24 plus minus 23 is what? Additive inverse. What is this? Additive inverse. So B option. Okay, this is the B option. So the following is not true. Okay. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Okay, 15 plus 9 is 24. This is correct only. This is also addition and multiplication. They are associative property correct only. 7 plus 8 into 9 and 7 plus 8 into 7. Okay, this is not correct. This is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. Because this is not a property. 7 into 8 plus 9, we can write 7 into 8 plus 7 into 9. Okay, so C is not correct. Okay. It's like this, an integer. Suppose I want to solve this much only. So I'm ending this test. You can see the report also of your own test. See, 4 questions I tried, 3 is correct. 75% accuracy. Yes or not? Total time taken 1.49 minutes. Okay, so like this, you can do your own test of 30 minutes, 1 hour also. Okay, you can create your own test. In the test history, you can see your results. Okay, in the test only, you can see test history. Test history here, on test and institute test, both is there. Here, just now you saw, now you can see the report. Okay, 4 questions you tried, 3 is correct. Yes or no? And you can, if you want to see the history of a institute, you can click here. Institute test history. Yes or no? So you can see here on 24th April last you wrote our test. Yes or no? So here you have practiced that 30 questions. 9 was correct. How much correct? 9 correct. Okay, you have taken a time of 17.28 minutes. Okay. Similarly, you can see other history of here you have to select actually institute for institute test history. Okay. So on 21st April also you have attempted one institute test. You can see 55 questions you attempted, 16 was correct. So 29% is the accuracy. Okay. If any test is given to you, you can see here in the institute test. Okay, these are all tests you have done. Okay, 24th April last test was done. Yes or no? 21st April, 9th April you have not done. Time's up. Next, the study material. Come to the study materials. The study materials, institute notes is there. Now I have not added any institute test. We will add later. Okay, you don't go with the exam preparation documents. Select this exam preparation documents. Then you have to select the subjects like maths. Select the topics. 6th. Select the chapter. Suppose I want fractions. Okay, select fractions. So you can see here all the types of notes are there. Fractional. Okay. Chapter notes is there. You can formula sheets also you can download. Yes or no? formula sheets is not there. Okay, so you select chapter notes only. Okay, so chapter notes you can select here and you can download here chapter notes. So it will get downloaded. You can click and read. You can see here it is downloading fraction notes. Okay, you can see here also in folder. Even in mobile also you can download. Okay, you can just open this using PDF viewer. So you can see mathematics worksheet. Okay, what is fractions? Okay, and the notes related to the fraction is that the numerator is a denominator. Yes or no? So like this you can see. Okay, all the note types of notes are there related to this chapter. Okay, na? Okay, na? You could not see, I think. Once again, you see the PDF which I downloaded. You share, I have to go see the screen. PDF. Now, this is the notes which I downloaded. Okay, you can see a fraction. Okay, fraction is one. The first one is the whole number. Okay, it's a complete circle. Second circle. Okay, if you divide the circle into 2 equal halves, then the shaded portion is a 1 by half. Okay, if the circle is there, if you divide okay, the third circle, if you divide the circle into 4 equal halves, then the shade only one part. So this is what 1 by 4 part. Okay, like this. You can see the concepts you can learn. Okay, now you can see here. You can see the concepts are there. Okay, what is improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than denominator, it is what? Improper fraction. Okay, what is proper fraction? Improper fractions. You can see. Okay, so these are the notes available. Yes or no? So you can, nice notes are there written by the expert faculties. Okay, come to the. Are you able to see my screen now? So like that, you can download the notes of other subjects also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly, you can download the notes of science also. Okay, you can go with the physics or let go with the biology. Okay, biology 6th. Okay, select component of food. Okay, and select here all. So you can see here again, once again, these are the notes available. Okay, chapter notes is there. Okay, so you can download. Solved example is there. Important questions are there. Yes or no? So you can download here. You can see here it is getting downloaded. Yes or no? So again, you can double click here and you can open. Again, I'm sharing. Okay, so like that you can download the it came. So I can show you. Are you able to see the screen? So you can see what is downloaded now, biology notes. Okay, na? And you can learn. Okay, like this. Am I clear? Correct, na, Jivan? So
Yes,
this
sir.
app,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
so this app is going to be very useful for you. Okay, you can learn the math, science, social. You can watch the videos of math and science. You can revise also. Correct, na? And you can revise math and social. You can practice. So you have to utilize the time. At least you went for marriage there. Okay, so that's all for this training. Okay, so